How long does it take you to make a presentation? 2 hours, maybe an entire evening? If you're using PowerPoint, the answer is probably too long. Stop the struggle. Today, I'm introducing you to Gamma, the AI tool that lets you generate a fully designed, professional, and visually stunning slide deck in the time it takes you to brew a coffee. I've moved almost all my presentations here, and in this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to use it, compare it directly to PowerPoint, and tell you if it's really worth the switch. Let's dive in. Step 1. Generate from scratch. The magic starts here. When you click New Deck, Gamma gives you two options. Let's start with a simple prompt. I'm asking it to create a presentation on the 5 biggest tech trends of 2026. Watch this. In under 30 seconds, Gamma generates the full outline. You can edit this outline if you need to. Then, it starts the design process, finding images, generating text, structuring the layout, and done. That was faster than making the title slide in PowerPoint. Step 2. Generate from existing text. Here's a feature PowerPoint can't touch: converting existing documents. If you have a long report or essay, just copy-paste your text, and Gamma will restructure it into slides automatically. Step 3. Customization. Editing. Now, let's customize. You're not stuck with the AI's choices. Want a different layout? Click the 3 dots. Need a different photo? The integrated image library is excellent. A quick pro tip: Gamma decks are interactive. You can embed live websites, GIFs, and even YouTube videos directly into your slides, making them engaging for modern audiences. Why Gamma wins? So, why should you make the switch? Let's put it simply. If you need complex custom animations or deep data manipulation, stick with PowerPoint. It's the king of ultimate control. But for 95% of presentations, your weekly reports, your school projects, your project pitches, Gamma wins, hands down, on speed and aesthetics. It handles all the tedious design choices instantly. It is about efficiency. The technology is here to streamline your life. Stop working harder and start working smarter. Gamma is the future of presentations. The link to try Gamma for free is in the description. Hit that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more essential AI tools. See you next time.